In this video, I'm working on a boomerang. That's right, a Yamaha CA600. Yep, it's back. I had this one a while back. It had a bad transistor in it. That's the one we had to put the soldering iron up against it to find it. Well, we got another problem. Okay, I've got this Yamaha CA600 natural sound power amplifier back. I had this in a while back that had a bad transistor. If you guys remember, it was the one that was all noisy on one. I think it was the preamp. The phono preamp was noisy. And fixed that one up. It's back now. No left channel. If I turn on some volume, we have right channel only. If I go show you the scope, here it is. Here's the left channel. I'll turn the balance all the way to the left. You can see that we have audio. The audio is getting into the power amplifier board, which is over here. So we have audio getting into the power amp. There's the left channel. If I put the balance towards the right, you'll hear sound. We have no sound. So let's see why we have no sound on this thing. Let's check our voltages here. See if we've got any power getting through the fuses. So just check them here. What we got here? We got 37 volts, minus 37 and plus 37. Looks like our fuses are okay. So I don't anticipate it being a problem with the outputs. I think this thing had a, if I'm not mistaken, this thing's got a speaker relay on it, and I think that was giving us trouble before. I wonder if it's giving us trouble again. Huh, okay, let's just turn the volume down a bit here. Tap the speaker relay on here. See whether the... okay. This is that one that had the bad relay. I bet you that relay has gone bad again on this thing. I mean, this is the one that the relay was actually broken, and we had to fix it. Yeah, here's the relay with the cover off it. Watch when I just touch the contacts down here. Right. Not making a good connection at all. I'm going to see if I can tighten that contact up a bit. Otherwise, we're going to have to source a relay. This one shouldn't be too difficult to find. It's just an Omron type relay. Probably 12 volt. Either 12 or 24 volt coil. It's just a double pull, double throw relay. But let's see if we can make this one work. If you guys remember from the last time, the plastic arm here was broken off completely, and I put some JB weld on here and I thought I got it, but obviously it's not making a good connection. But we might be able to fix this thing. Let's take a look and see anyway. Worst case scenario, I'm going to have to find a relay for this thing, which shouldn't be that difficult actually. I think probably one of the local, well, there is only one local shop left. The other one shut his doors. So I should be able to find a relay if we need to change it. But let's just see whether it's just not making a good connection and that we can tighten that up a bit and fix that. Just bend that bottom contact over a bit. Let's see whether that works. Just put some power to this thing. See if I get sound. I would say that's affirmative. Off. Yep. I think we got it. You guys probably remember this one. The relay here was broken, as you can see. The plastic was broken inside here, and it caused this contact to come loose. So I took the whole relay apart and we cemented it back together. But I guess, and cleaned up the contacts as well. But I guess the bottom spring here, the bottom contact, the normally open contact, just wasn't quite making a good connection. So when the relay closed, it was making a connection for the right channel, but the left channel wasn't. So now I've just tightened up the lower contact there, the normally open side, so that when the relay closes, we get sound on both speakers. There, it goes on that way. Okay, there we go. Okay, that's fixed this one. That's another one. That's another easy one. Jeez, I'm getting all the easy ones today. There you go. Bad relay. Quite a common fault on everything. Anything that uses these power relays for the speakers. Anyway, that's something to keep an eye out for on one of these units, and say we'll send this one back and see if it holds up.